And then the son-in-law, who's not licensed, does the electrical work. The man doesn't disclose this to me, the broker, when the property is being listed. So now you buy the property and something happens. The basement catches on fire or whatever. Now we have financial loss. So now the broker, you're being guided on the broker side. So on the broker side, I am innocent of any wrongdoing. Why? They didn't tell me. Now, some will say, Brenda, well, they could have asked. Sometimes we ask and people lie. So this is not, I don't live there. I did what I was supposed to do, which is sell the house. The other ones that did it, and the question tells you the man didn't disclose that at the time of the listing. So the answer ends up being this. If I had known, then yes, I would have not arranged. I don't want you to take a lane that is not yours. So if the seller told me, if the man told me, then I would tell them, hey, you might want to get a licensed electrician to go ahead and come here and do it correctly. And if, man, you don't do it, then now that I know, I need to disclose. When disclosed, if the sellers are saying they're not going to do it and the buyer now knows, then we move on. The buyer already knows and they're going to tackle it after. So this one, you would recommend. You wouldn't be the one arranging for the inspector to come and get it done. Yeah, some of us like helping, but that's not your responsibility. Your responsibility is to advise them and let them know what they need to do. If they decide they're not going to do it, then I need to disclose that.
I could have